Hey guys, I'm P from doc.online.progress, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to stabilize a shaky video and how to correct the visual distortion caused by fisheye lens effect. But first you need to import your video and drag and drop it in your timeline. For the purpose of this tutorial, I use a clip from my last trip to Venice. So let me show you my masterpiece. As you imagine, I couldn't use this clip in its original form while editing my vlog video, but Filmora gave me the solution to my problem. By double-clicking on the clip, you'll enter to Settings, where you'll find the stabilization option at the Video tab. Once you check the box, Filmora software will start to analyze your footage and lets you choose smoothness level later. The time needed depends on the length of your video. When the process is done, you'll be able to adjust your clip smoothness level with a slider. Pay attention to the fact that when you increase the smoothness level, the clip will be zoomed and vice versa. So don't go too far with the slider if that's not your intention. Edge processing determines how Filmora will handle the edges of your stabilized video. You can choose between None, Reflect, Tile or Extend, but the default option is Reflect, which will be fine in most of the cases. Okay, let's check once again the same clip after the stabilization process. There is a huge difference, right? Now let me show you how you correct easily the visual distortion of a clip that you recorded using the wide-angle lenses in the action camera. In the settings, except of the stabilization tab, you'll also find the lens correction tab, which has some presets for action cameras such as GoPro models and Sony that allow you to reduce distortion. After you choose your camera model, you select the capture mode resolution your video was shot with. By dragging the Adjust Level sidebar, you'll adjust the correction level of your footage. Pay the same attention as for the stabilization option while dragging the slider, because increasing the level will zoom out the video more. When you are done, you can check the results in the preview window and click OK to save the changes. So keep in mind that you only need to double-click on your video to enter in the settings, where you'll find the stabilization and lens correction tabs between other options. Remember that Filmora software is a very powerful editing tool, so don't be discouraged when you need to edit a shaky video or to apply lens corrections. With this program, you'll fix everything easily and quickly. Thank you for watching, guys. If you liked the review, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, bye!